So let us install Ansible in on CentOS 8. So how we can install it? So first we need to search on a Google, just type EPL repo. So here you will find your official website here. Click on here. So let me click it here. Okay. So here you will find out your CentOS 8 or CentOS 7's repo file. So it will install the repo here. So here you are able to see it is for a RHEL or CentOS, and here for a 8. Okay, so we need to first install this package. It is a RPM package. It is a RPM package. So this package belongs to repos. So on that repo we can install Ansible. So first I need to install this repo, so I can use copy and paste here directly. So let me use here, okay, control C. So let me paste here. Make sure internet should be work on your server, and it will install this package. So directly we can install this package. Okay, so let me make a yes. Okay, so now this EPL repo has been installed, and let's verify how many repos it is generated here, where we can verify cd etc yum.reposd ls-lrt. So here you will see EPL repo. So let me do grep -i EPL. So here you will see these repo files has been installed, and we can check through RPM command also, qa and grep -i EPL. Okay, so here this is a package. So RPM hyphen query, and here list for package. So you will see all these repos are belongs to, so this package having these all repos. So here you can see the list. Okay, so repo list. So these are the repos here. So it will show all the files. So here you will see all these repos here, and it is a signature. It is a signature here. Signature key is also updated here. So now let us go for a yum install Ansible. Yum install Ansible. And if you want to use it for a 7, so please use this. So it will install related to your 7. Here it is valid. This link is valid for RHEL or CentOS operating system. So if you want to use for OEL, yes, Oracle Enterprise Linux, it will support here. Here they have not documented here, but yes, it will support for Oracle Enterprise Linux as well also. So let's come here. Okay, so it is connecting here. It's taking a time. Okay, so here now you are able to see Ansible package is belongs to EPL, and other some dependencies package are belongs to others. Here you will see other repos here. AppStream, it is your CentOS repository, central repo here. So here you need to install a Python. So SSPass is EPL, here EPL. Okay, so let me install these packages here. Let me make a yes. Okay, now you can say Ansible has been installed here. You can see all the package has been installed here perfectly. And if we verify, let's verify me. Okay, so Ansible, so Ansible hyphen version. So we can verify here it. Okay, so now perfectly. Okay, so Ansible 2.9.8 version has been installed, and Python version it's using 3.6.8. Okay, and it is a compiler version. It is using this compiler version also. So perfectly we have installed. So successfully we have installed it. We have installed Ansible successfully.